Welcome back to another video in which today we'll be making not only one, but two different kinds of brownies. We'll begin with the classic better than the box cakey brownie recipe to then progress into an irresistibly chocolatey fudge brownie, which will ensure to satisfy all and any sweet tooth cravings. With all that said, let's get to our first batch of brownies. In the bowl of a stand mixer, place melted butter, sugar, eggs, and 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Bring the bowl to the stand mixer and fit with the whisk attachment. Then set your stand mixer on a medium-high speed and mix for at least 5 minutes until mixture is light in color and small bubbles begin to form over top. Remove the bowl from the stand mixer and place a mesh strainer over top. Place cocoa powder, flour, salt, and baking powder into the strainer, then sift ingredients into the bowl. Once the dry mix has been sifted into the bowl, use a whisk to gently combine all ingredients. Now that our brownie batter is thoroughly combined, your mixture should resemble a thick and glossy texture. With a 9x13 baking pan lined with parchment paper and ready to go, in goes all of your brownie batter and spread evenly across the entire pan. Send to a 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Now that our brownies have spent their due time in the oven, allow them to cool completely for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Finally, place onto a cutting board and cut into 24 pieces. Similar to the cakey brownies, place 1 cup of melted butter into the bowl of a stand mixer. Place 1.5 cups of white sugar, 1 cup of lightly packed dark brown sugar, 4 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Then set your stand mixer on a medium-high speed for 5 minutes. Sift into the bowl cocoa powder, flour, salt, and then espresso powder. Once again, sift all ingredients into the bowl and use a whisk to gently combine all ingredients to achieve a thick and glossy texture. Now that our brownie batter is evenly and thoroughly mixed, place 1 cup of chocolate or chocolate chips into the bowl. In this video, I'm using chocolate chips, but next time, I would definitely use a chopped up chocolate bar, as a chopped up chocolate bar melts a lot better than chocolate chips. And just like our previous batch of brownies, evenly distribute our mixture into a 9x13 pan. Then, before sending into the oven, sprinkle over top the remaining chocolate. Now all good and ready for the oven, bake for just 25 to 30 minutes to ensure a melty and fudgy texture. Then, just like last time, remove brownies from the oven and allow it to cool completely for 45 minutes to an hour. Place brownies onto a cutting board and cut into 24 evenly sized pieces. And once again, thank you very much for sticking around to this part of the video. Please take a moment to show your support by giving this video a like and drop a comment down below with what you might like for me to make next. Also, and if you like these kinds of things, please click that red subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any future and upcoming videos. And from here on out, have a good one.